What's up everyone, Steven here. Today we're doing a little video on a truck that Kelly recently picked up. I believe it's a 1973 International 1010. I'll kind of let her go through it. Today I think we're just working on cleaning up and seeing if we can get it running.
So today's goal, we're going to start by pressure washing, getting all the moss off. It's been sitting for a long time. Then once that's clean, we're going to tear out the carpet. The mice have gotten to it. So I'm going to tear it all out, vacuum it, and then we're going to decide what to do with the seats. And once that's clean, pressure washed, we're going to see if we can get it running. Ultimately, my goal, I'm going to see if we can get some cab corners, rockers, replace both sides, figure out what we're going to do with the door, whether we're going to just fix it up or maybe see if we can get a replacement. I think I'd like to keep it white. I think it looks pretty good, especially once it's all shined up. And we'll get some rims, tires for it. Probably do one of those wood boxes, make it look shiny. This one's a little rough. There's some moss from it sitting and some big rust holes.
We just realized we went to see if we could just see what it had for a carburetor. And turns out somebody's converted this truck to fuel injection already. It's got a Holley, old school Holley fuel injection system on it. I'm not sure if we'll be able to get that to work, but we'll give it a try. It's power steering, V8. Looks like it's all painted up. I don't know if somebody's had it out or what at some point, but Kelly's working on getting all the moss off of it right now. We'll have a little time lapse for you guys. Got the GoPro set up on the speaker. See how that turns out. Looks like it's coming clean so far. She's got some spray iron on it. We'll see how it turns out. Engine is stuck. I'm gonna pull all 8 plugs out of it. I'm gonna put some stuff in the cylinder, see if we can get it freed up. Put a battery in it. Kelly has been cleaning up the interior. She's pulling the sill plates to pull this ugly old carpet out of it. But turn the key on. Blower motor works. The radio works. The windshield wipers all work. Not sure about the lights yet. I haven't really played much with the lights, but there's quite a bit that actually works in here. The blower motor and the blower motor switch here works. Like, kind of cool. Okay, so we're working on pulling the spark plugs out of this thing. Let's see if we can free up the engine or not. This we'll find out once we get them all out. See if we can turn this engine over now. I have my notes, but it is locked up. Okay, I'm gonna put something in the plug holes and we'll see if we can get it loosened up. I guess we'll see how good this liquid wrench penetrating lube works. I put an entire can in this engine. I pulled all the spark plugs out of it. Obviously the engine's seized. I guess we'll see if it'll help free it up. And I'm just gonna try and wire a jumper wire from the starter to the battery so I can try and get this thing clicking over from the starter. Okay, so I've let the penetrating lube sit in the cylinders for a little while now. I just cut the starter wire, twisted a wire with a little switch on it. Even though I'm not going to use the switch, I'm just going to touch it to the battery terminal. See if we can get this thing turning over. I'm just going to momentarily touch it and see if I can get it to jump. Ooh. Look at that. Heck yeah. It's going to run. Oh, that penetrating oil is coming out, but doesn't sound tight anymore. Okay, so it's the next day. I went ahead, I put all the spark plugs back in it. I put all the wires on it. We were looking into this Holley fuel injection system. I believe it's a 2DI or 2D1. I don't know if it's a 1 or an I. Basically, it's a pretty simple fuel injection system. From what I can tell, it's all hooked up. We have all our powers and grounds that we require for this to run. I did look. We have no fuel pressure. I have both the fuel lines off the back here. This is the feed. This is the feed, and this is the return. And we have no fuel pressure coming from the pump. So we've gone ahead and ordered a pump for it already. And then I proceeded to see if we had spark. Of course, we didn't have any spark. Who knows how long this thing is sat for. So pulled the distributor cap off to see if we had any arc from the points. See if I can get it to arc. So I've went ahead and cleaned the points since, which I must not have the key turned on right now. But anyway, I took a piece of emery cloth and I fouled the points so that we have spark now. I've gone ahead and put it all back together, verified we have spark, and actually I can get it to run off of intake clean if I just spray it down the throttle body. So we're just waiting for a fuel pump to come. Once the fuel pump's here, this thing might run. We'll see if this old fuel injection system works. From what I can understand, it's from either the late 80s, early 90s sometime. So it'd be cool if we could get that running.
So we got the engine unseized. It turns over now. We filed the points, so we have good spark. But we're not getting any fuel pressure, so we ordered a fuel pump for it. Should be here in the next couple days. So stay tuned for our next video, and we'll see if we can get this thing running.